Hey, I'm JT with WTI, and I want to tell you why I am kicking myself for not getting this swivel socket adapter set from LEXIVON a lot sooner. I've been in this situation so many times where I just can't get my socket wrench in there, especially if I'm using an extension. So I decided to try out these LEXIVON swivel sockets, and they really helped. It allows me to get just enough angle from any direction in order to get the right torque and not be hitting things while I'm trying to turn the wrench. In times past, this would have taken so much time and would have caused a lot of frustration trying to use just typical wrenches in this scenario. There were also times where my socket extensions were just a little bit too long or a little bit too short, and these adapters gave me just a bit more reach, and they gave the flexibility of not having to be completely lined up with the bolt. They're also not too bulky for those really tight squeezes. I love that they're rated to work with impact wrenches so that at any angle you can get enough torque and you don't have to worry about snapping the tool. I found that even on bolts that were really tight, I didn't have any problem breaking the bolt loose, and at no time did the adapter feel like it was going to break on me. I also have the reassurance that they've got a great warranty. These swivel socket adapters are going to stay right next to the rest of my sockets because I know I'm going to use them a lot in the future. So if you often or even occasionally find yourself in a tight spot with your socket wrench, I strongly encourage you to consider getting this swivel socket set from LEXIVON, because it really helps out and it will save you a ton of frustration. But that's my point of view.